Craig A. Kirkland, also called Amaziyah the Great. I have a book out called Don't Cry, available on Amazon. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us, even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom. Inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this. I will not quit, even if me have to keep crawling on the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry. You try to make things work. You are my first hero. You motivates me to serve. Son above a ball, thinking of fail, Dada, value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids, don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. Not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry.
We're going to go around.
Okay. No problem. Thank you very much. In this mind of mine, I took some time to find more time to be fine as my thoughts incline and climb an eye. I refuse to let heathen drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping. I'm fully awake, 4 decades pleading. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weakened. The journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. I ignore their speaking. Their fiction is sickeningly misleading. Persuasion invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent. I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children, history assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me. It's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. I'm greater than your thought, tell them precisely. Jay, the fight continues and there are more others just like me. Precisely. So this one is called My Name is Pam. Talks about domestic abuse against women and we say no to domestic violence. You see, Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a sour, selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who'll make you and I'll break you, so go on if you want to try. The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, somebody call police. She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeked. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. Few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up enough for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it wasn't so and later committed suicide. Pam never had good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. A few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, oh God, I can't take no more. A year after she bought a car, some people call her whore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Maximum respect. Kite, you are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you will never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Just pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moment, you experience pain for days. cold and bitter, angry and confused? Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. Are you feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied? Fret not, for God already sent an angel to be your travel guide. You'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, it will be the strongest you ever feel. You are beautiful, you are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more, you'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you, you have no time to play. You're a fighter, a survivor who resists to quit. You're loved, you're a goddess, you deserve lifetime happiness.
That was sweet as all.
Thank you very much.
Aww.